I think our number one mission is to serve water, and we do the best that we can to strive to do that in the best form available. So choosing that collaborative partnership from pipe to the installation ensures that we can have that product in a transformational delivery by the end of 2027.
Coordinating the design effort as well as the construction effort, making sure that all of those pieces come together to meet a really aggressive 2-year kind of time frame is really a monumental task and one that we're excited to be a part of.
And that doesn't happen without that collaboration. From the pipe to the materials to the accessories, it just doesn't happen. ISCO has everything you need.
ISCO has helped tremendously with supplying with the pipe, and they've been instrumental in making sure that these locations produce the pipe we need on time and getting it shipped here as we need it.
I think projects have the highest chance for success when there's a lot of collaboration. All parties involved, contractors, engineers, owners, ISCO working, finding out what the customer needs, what the community needs.
In my mind, HDPE is the only product to use. You don't have joints. You can train your own staff how to fuse pipe. It's a seamless product.
We had 2 days of training to learn how to run them, and by the end of my first day, I was very confident that I can do this on about any size of pipe. Our goal is about 530 foot in a day, but we've had good days of 900 foot per machine.
I think the greatest thing ISCO did for us is they recognized a small rural water utility in South Dakota and the importance that we were. They never were bigger than recognizing who their smallest source is. The owners of the company actually care enough sometimes to call and check on how we're doing. The upper staff care. I don't think that happens every day. That is so very important.